Good morning, Shimla. Hey family, what's up everybody? This is Kruti and you're watching Crew Vlogs with me. So finally this is my last day in Manali and I'm not feeling like going home. I'm so much in love with this place. Like I'm going to miss this place forever. I'm feeling like this is such a beautiful world, and we are just a part of it. I would never have imagined that I would have spent such a good time over here. So I am in love with this place. I'm not even feeling like going home, but then I have to. So finally we are leaving from Manali to Chandigarh. On the way we'll be doing sightseeing as well. So I'm not feeling like going home, sorry what to do, but unfortunately I have to. And see the view behind me. It's such a beautiful place. I'm going to miss this place forever, and I have captured a lot of memories with me, and that memories are going to be forever with me. So I'll see you guys on the way.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware.
Finally all set to live. I'm feeling like bye bye Manali. I'm going to miss you a lot. So let's go guys. Finally I have to go with a heavy heart because I don't want to leave this place and go. So let's leave.
You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
So we have to the hall for taking apples. There are green apple, red apple, golden apple, and there are juices as well. I'll make you see that all. And many more things. And the apple looks so fresh over here as it is of yours only. So
750 हुए आपके, ठीक है? ये लो, हो गया ना? अब सारा 100 का ही वो करके लगाया। हाँ,
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
So we have got down at Shawls factory. So I'll make you see that how they make the shawls and everything. Here it is. So you can see that how they make shawls. See, this is they are making designs out of it. How beautiful this is to see. It is handmade, so they are making different designs on shawl and everything, and it is basically a handmade things. It's so beautiful to watch out. So as you saw, there was a shawl factory down, and on top of that it is a sale department where they sell everything that is made handmade. So it's very beautiful to watch how they make it.
Fall into you.
So This place was so beautiful. They have made all the handmade shawls and sweaters and everything as you have seen it. It was really very beautiful, the collections, the color combinations and everything. But I didn't took anything from here because I already did shopping, as you guys know. So any which ways, we'll see you further on my journey, guys. On the way to Chandigarh, we have just took a halt in between, and this is a beautiful place. It is a bridge over here, and the scene is very beautiful. You can just see that.
Dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go?
So after 6 to 7 hours of journey, we had took the halt in between, but now again we have to the halt for getting freshen up and using washroom, whoever wants to go and all. And from afternoon we are searching for some good dhaba or restaurant so that we can have our lunch. So it was a mountain area, mountain zone, so we didn't find any restaurant or any good dhabas.
Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
So finally, whatever you say, dinner or lunch, because we are starving very bad, because from since afternoon we are searching for some dhaba restaurant. Finally we have got one dhaba. So let me have food and then I'll see you guys on my journey.
Fall into your
So finally, after 12 hours of journey, I have reached Chandigarh station. Right now it's 1 AM and I have my train in the morning 5:10 AM. So till that I have to wait with my group on the station in waiting room. So no other option with us. So I hope you are going to miss the journey which I have posted. So the series I have given you, and the same way I'm going to miss my journey a lot, because these places were so beautiful which I have went to, and I'm never going to forget this journey. I hope that you love the series which I have given as I have loved it. So Tara, keep smiling, spread love, make people happy. Sign out.